7th-year-old birthday party. We told Aaron that he was free to invite 4 friends. Of course, he had his regulars. He had Jack Weston, Peyton Gerlach, had Sam Jones, and then he chose Hannah McKinney. And as someone who has been friends and went to school with their spouse their entire life, I can tell you that it's very special and rare.
Welcome. Friends and family, we've been invited here today to share with Aaron and Hannah a very special moment in their lives. In the 9 years they have been together, their love and understanding for each other has grown and matured. Hannah and Aaron have known each other their whole lives, but their love began and grew from dancing at homecoming and prom to navigating a long-distance relationship while at college, and most recently, turning their new house into a home. They now have decided to live their lives together as husband and wife and husband.
Aaron James, my best friend, my handsome groom, and soon my husband. Ever since I was a little girl, I've dreamt of my wedding day, walking down the aisle in a long white dress, having all of my favorite girls standing beside me, and being surrounded by people my groom and I cherish the most. I can't help but think how lucky I am that I get to marry my high school sweetheart, my first and only love. As your wife, I promise to always support you, encourage you, and stand by your side during all the highs and lows life may bring. I love you.
Hannah, you are truly the love of my life, my best friend, my other half, maybe more than just half. I'm beyond excited for the best day of our lives that we have been dreaming of for many years. I cannot wait to experience new parts of life with you, learn how to be a better couple, and so much more. I'm so excited for the times to come and cannot wait for you to be Hannah Henry. I'm so eager to explore life together, side by side, and make the best of it that we can. Yes, I love you more.
We now come to the words that Aaron and Hannah want to hear the most today, the words that take them across the threshold from being an engaged couple to being married. I, Aaron, take you, Hannah, to be my wife.
I, Aaron, take you, Hannah, to be my wife.
I will share my life with yours.
I will share my life with yours.
And build our dreams together.
I
will support you through times of trouble.
I will support you through times of trouble.
Rejoice with you in times of happiness.
Rejoice with you in times of happiness.
And I promise to give you respect.
I promise to give you respect.
Love.
Love.
And loyalty. Hannah, please repeat after me. I, Hannah, take you, Aaron, to be my husband.
I, Hannah, take you, Aaron, to be my husband.
I will share my life with yours.
I will share my life with yours.
I will build our dreams together.
I will build our dreams together.
I will support you through times of trouble.
I will support you during times of trouble.
Rejoice with you in times of happiness.
Rejoice with you in times of happiness.
And I promise to give you respect.
I promise to give you respect.
Love. And loyalty. Your wedding rings are an outward and visible sign of an inward and invisible bond which already unites your hearts in love. Aaron, place this ring on Hannah's finger and repeat after me. I give you this ring.
I give you this ring.
Wear it with love and joy.
Wear it with love and joy.
As this ring has no end.
As this ring has no end.
My love is also forever.
Love is also forever.
Hannah, Hannah, place this ring on Aaron's finger and repeat after me. I give you this ring.
I give you this ring.
Wear it with love and joy.
Wear it with love and joy.
As this ring has no end,
As this ring has no end.
my love is also forever.
My love is also forever.
May the wedding rings you exchange today remind you always that enduring love surrounds you. May you cherish the home and family which you continue to create together. May all the years be filled with moments to celebrate and renew your love. May your love be a lifelong source of excitement, contentment, affection, respect, and devotion for one another. And now, by the power vested in me by this great state of Iowa and the good folks at goodordained.org, it is my honor and privilege to declare you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride. And ladies and gentlemen, I am pleased to present you for the very first time to the public, Mr. and Mrs. Hanrahan.
Hannah has been my best friend since the day I met her, and my life has been so much better for it. There's not a day that goes by where Hannah and I are not talking, planning something, or asking each other for advice. I've cherished every moment of watching Hannah grow up, and I'm thrilled to witness the next chapter of her life. It takes a truly special person to handle Hannah, and I'm so happy that Aaron is the one chosen to do just that. Aaron, just remember that you now get to be my lifelong IT guy, but really, I'm so excited that you officially are now part of our family.
Being that Aaron and I go all the way back to pre-K, that means that I've had the distinct honor of growing up with Hannah as well. For me personally, it was never a question of if they would get married or not. The questions were always, how long would it take Aaron to propose, and who would end up crying more when they proposed? The bond that they have takes others decades to develop. I was able to go way back in time and find the first moment that I saw this bond in Aaron's eyes. And then, backed by the power of technology and 2-day shipping, I would like to present Hannah and Aaron with their first official wall decor as a married couple.